Now we will learn about augmented assignment operators in Python, or shorthand assignment operators in Python. So this is a program where we will learn the augmented assignment operators. Augmented assignment operators are those operators which have a shorthand notations. If you see in this code, a equals to 10, b equals to 2, and then b plus equals to 3. So this plus equals to is a shorthand notation, or it is augmented assignment operator, which means b equals to b plus 3. Then b minus equals to 3, it means b equals to b minus 3. B multiplication equals to 10 means b equals to b plus 10, b multiplied by 10. B division equals to 5 means b equals to b divided by 5. B floor division equals to 2 means b equals to b floor division 2. B modulus equals to 2 means b equals to b modulus 2. And then a multiplication, or we can say exponentiation, a exponentiation 3 equals to a exponentiation 3. So these plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, floor division equals to, modulus equals to, and exponentiation equals to are augmented assignment operators or shorthand operators. They have their equivalent meaning like these. So let's see the output of this program. B was initially 2, so 2 plus 3 gives, this print B statement gives 5. Then B minus equals to 3, 5 minus 3, 2. So this print statement is giving 2. Then B multiplied by 10, so 2 into 10 becomes 20, so B is 20. So this print is giving this 20. Then 20 is divided by 5, so it gives 4. Then floor division. Floor division takes only integer part, so it is 2. Then modulus 2, 2 modulus 2, obviously it will be 0, so it is 0. And then a was having value 10, exponentiation 3 means 10 multiplied by 10 again by 10, 3 times, 10 raised to the power 3, so it is 1000. So the program is working fine. So that's all about augmented assignment operators and or shorthand operators in Python. This video. Take care. Bye bye.